Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now in this video we are going to solve this simultaneous equation using matrices. Okay, all right, so solution. The system can be written in the form, this system can be written in the form of ax equals to b, and then by the time we make x subject to the formula from here, we now say that x can be written as a raised to power minus 1, okay, b, okay. Now we are going to need that. Take note of those two equations that I gave. Now, what is a, what is x, and what is b? Now, from the simultaneous equation that we have, our a is 2, 4, 3, 5. They are the coefficients of the variables. In that order, 2, 4, 3, 5. That is our a. Then, what is our x? Our x are the variables that we have, and those are x and y. So we have x, y, that is our x, and our b, okay, lastly our b. Then our b are the constants that we have, which is 5 and 6. Okay, now what do we need to do from here? We need to find our A inverse. Okay, that is inverse of A. And you know that to find inverse of A is equals to 1 over determinant of A multiplied by adjoint of A. Okay, so this is the formula we use to find the inverse of A. And from here, we need determinant of A. We also need adjoint of A. So how do we find determinants? Okay, we have A to be 2, 4, 3, 5. That is what we have. Then let's find determinants of A. Determinants, we multiply this by this. That is 2 times 5 minus, we multiply this by this. That is 3 times 4. Okay, so determinant is 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 4 is 12. Our determinants equals to minus 2. All right, so since the determinant is non-zero, it means that A, matrix A is invertible. So we can go ahead to use that. All right, so what is adjoint? Also, when you have the matrix A to be 2, 4, 3, 5. Now, the adjoint of A now, adjoint of A. Okay, now let's look at it. Adjoint of A. This diagonal, we are going to exchange it. You know, we have 2, 5. It will become 5, 2. And the second diagonal, we change the sign. That is how we do adjoint. We have positive, positive. We change it to negative, negative. Okay, so adjoint of A is this. That is how to do adjoint. Now that we have our determinants and we have the adjoint, we can go ahead to find the inverse of A. Let me write the formula again. Inverse of A equals to 1 over the determinant multiplied by the adjoint of A. Okay, so let's apply that. 1 over, our determinant is minus 2, and then our adjoint is 5 minus 4 minus 3, 2. That is our adjoint. All right, so now let's multiply each of these elements by 1 over minus 2. And by the time we do that, we have 1 over minus 2 times 5. This gives us minus 5 over 2. Then let's do this times this. That gives us 3 over 2. Okay, then 1 over minus 2 times minus 4 will give us 2. Okay, by the time we multiply this and this. And lastly, 1 over minus 2 times 2 will give us minus 1. Okay, so we have done that. That is our inverse. Now, don't forget that for us to find x, I told us that for us to find x, it is inverse of A multiplied by matrix B. We have the inverse of A, and we know what the matrix B is. Okay, so now let's go ahead. We are going to do this minus 5 over 2, 2, and then we have 3 over 2 minus 1. multiplying b. Remember that our b is 5, 6. Now from here, what is our x and what is our y? Our x is given by the multiplication of this and this, okay? That is the both of them, okay? We are multiplying this and the whole of this, that is 5 and 6. Now let me write it out so you see. X is minus 5 over 2, 3 over 2, multiplying 5, 6. That is x. And then how do you find y? Our y is obviously when you multiply this other one, the other rule, with the b. So, and that gives 2 minus 1 multiplying 5, 6. Okay, so that's how to find our x and our y. Now let's multiply that. Okay, so now if you multiply that, we are going to do minus 5 over 2 times 5. So minus 5 over 2 times 5 plus 3 over 2 times 6. Okay, that's how to do that. And for y2, we are doing the same. Y2 will give us 2 times 5, 2 times 5 plus minus 1 times 6. Okay, then what is this? This gives us minus 5 times 5, that is minus 25 over 2 plus, this will give us 9. Okay, then for y, let me circle that. Then y we have 2 times 5 will give us 10. Then minus 1 times 6 will give us minus 6. Then you have to open this bracket. Plus times minus will give us minus 6. All right, by the time you simplify this, when you simplify that, we will get minus 7 over 2. Okay, when you simplify this, we have minus 7 over 2, and 10 minus 6 will give us 4. Okay, so that means that our x equals to minus 7 over 2 and our y equals to 4. So we have solved this simultaneous equation using matrices. All right, so now let's solve something similar to that. Let's try this. We have 3x plus 4y equals to 7, and we have 5x plus 2y equals to 8. So let's solve for x and y using matrices, strictly matrices. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, write your answer under the comment section. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. See you in my next video.